Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do on this episode is give you guys 3 cryptos to buy now. So keep in mind, nothing on this episode should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. So guys, I want to dive right into it. But first, if you guys haven't seen the previous video, it is true, I almost died. So I hit a deer and went into the ditch. So I got a huge scar on my face. I think it hit the steering wheel, my face. So I got like scars on my arm, my thumb sprained. So that happened like, I don't know, like 24 hours ago. But guys, we have to make content regardless of what happens. The market doesn't sleep. But it is ironic, right? Crypto Moose hit a deer. Almost ended a deer almost ended this channel. So Moose can't let that happen. So, but yeah, shoulders just messed up. But guys, put hashtag Moose made it. It'll make me feel better. So if you guys have not subscribed, do that. We have 785 videos by the time this video's out. We just hit 7,000 subscribers. So guys, thank you so much. It's really helped, right? You put time and effort into making content. This takes time. Even if it's a simple video, just talking about a couple cryptos. I know nothing's financial advice. I'm not, trying to, tell you what to do. But, I'm trying to give you information where you can learn and, get the latest news, information. And, eventually, at least within a couple weeks, you can start making your own decisions. All right. So thank you so much for watching the channel. And we have a lot more to come in the next couple months and years. So you better believe it. So we're going to talk about 3 cryptos. We're going to start with a safe play. We're going to do a mid and a higher risk play. Okay. So I've talked about it a lot on the channel. But you know what? Let's change this screen for you. Let's just start out with Bitcoin. Okay. So Bitcoin is the OG crypto. From my understanding, okay, Bitcoin is a better store of value than gold. That's where all the value comes in with Bitcoin, okay? So Satoshi Nakamoto, whoever created it, they created a beautiful blockchain. The largest decentralized blockchain in the world, from what I understand right now. It's a little bit boring. There's no smart contracts. We'll talk about that in another pick. But Bitcoin should account for 50%, maybe 40% if you want to take more risk. But 50% of your portfolio really should be allocated to Bitcoin. And the reason being is because it's really the digital gold. And if you're looking to store your hard-earned money, you want to put in Bitcoin, right? So, because it just makes sense in my eyes. That's just my opinion. You guys let me know what you think down below. But, with interoperability, we're probably going to see DeFi, right? We're going to see Bitcoin begin to do things like smart contracts. You could earn yield, earn different tokens, whatever it may be. But Bitcoin, it's got the finite supply. And a lot of people know about it. It has the network effect, okay? And I've just seen it time and time again. Me personally, if I just would have bought Bitcoin, when I knew about it, held it, even on the year, I'd be doing better. I like the next pick, but again, Bitcoin, you guys can comment down below. Let me know if you would have just bought Bitcoin and held, would you be up significantly more than where you're at today? Me, for sure. I've learned that speculation's fun. It's good. I definitely have wins. But if I just took the slow and steady approach with Bitcoin, from what I understand now, it's just so much harder to buy Bitcoin now than it was before. Okay. So Bitcoin, number 1 pick. Number 2, we got to talk about Cardano. Okay. Now, you could do Cardano. Another alternative would be like Ethereum. I like Ethereum because there's so many different decentralized applications on ETH. So ETH was the first, Charles Hoskinson, he's one of the founders of Ethereum, right? He built Cardano. But Ethereum, right? ETH, the token, it brought on the ability to have self-executing activity. So smart contracts, right? It brought on DeFi, right? It's where you can add code to tokens. Bitcoin, you just send some Bitcoin from one address to another and you store your wealth in it, right? Because it's represented in sats, 8 decimal points, very divisible. But Bitcoin is really just a store of value. It's just a token on a blockchain, not much more than that. Whereas something like Cardano, it has the ability for you to build on top of it, right? You can build video games. You can do things like AI. So it does offer smart contracts. The transaction speeds are much faster than Bitcoin, and it's going to get even faster in the future. We do have a gorgeous midnight airdrop. So if you guys want to head over to the channel, I've done tons of videos. This is primarily a Bitcoin Cardano hardware wallet channel. But if you guys do take a look here, like, I have reasons why I think ADA is going to explode. So if you want to check those out, if you want to check out the midnight token drop, I have that video for you as well. If you want to set up a wallet, I have videos on that. So I'm really working on getting that done. And we'll talk about some other stuff towards the end. But just for some of those reasons, we're going to see this get faster. It's going to do well, in my opinion, once alt season happens. If it does happen, again, it's more of a mid-risk play. It's not as safe as Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's sketchy as it is, right? When I say sketchy, I mean it's a new asset class. It's definitely proven itself to work and be that digital gold, right? But Cardano is, Web 3.0, right? So again, implementing smart contracts, you can just do more with Cardano. All right, so that's pick number 2. Let's get into a higher risk. And I want to talk about this project, which I'm not as educated on, but there's one main reason. So AI is going to be a big thing. And Alex Becker has been talking about Destra Network. This is the one he's going to pump. And if you look at the charts, it's got a good opportunity to explode. This is definitely a speculation play. What are we at in market cap here? 130 mil of market cap. It's just got a lot of potential to do a 5, 10, 15, 20x. A lot of people are going to take profit on it, but this is a project that could do well on Ethereum, right? Something new. It hits on the AI play, and you have some of the top influencers in the world, much bigger than this channel at this current time, where I think they're going to talk about that. So it's DSYNC, so Destra Network. Who knows what's going to happen? I'm going to give you guys a quick bonus pick here. So we do have to talk about other projects that I think could do well. I do like Copy. I think Copy's going to do well. But what was the one I wanted to talk about? If I go to AI, I'll find it for sure. Where did my AI go? So you guys comment down below. What is going to be your pick that you think could just go nuts? Something that hasn't received any opportunity that it has in the past, right? So here's one I want to talk about too, BAT. So I do like Brave. And with the midnight airdrop, this is one that I think could do well. I just think that it's just been pushed down too much. So there's a lot of support at these levels at, 10 cents, 11 cents, whatever it may be. But assuming a bull run, you're probably going to see a 10x here. Probably going to see a 10x with the fact that, you're going to have the midnight airdrop. You're going to have a lot more interoperability. And, it's all about when you buy, right? If you buy Bitcoin now, you're not going to do as good as if you bought it a year ago, right? And you got it at 80% discount, if you will. So guys, comment down below if you agree. What are your 3 picks? Give me your safe, mid, and high risk pick. Guys, also hit up the link tree. I've been updating this. Here you guys can find links to online courses, a recovery seed sheet, which I like a lot. So some people have already been downloading that, enjoying that. So if you set up a cold wallet, you can do that. Check out an online course. We have a free Cardano course. I'm going to update this as soon as I can. Just a lot going on this week with that. But guys, pick up a hardware wallet. Use code Moose, $50. You can pick up a cold wallet. This allows you to store your private keys offline. So most people, when they get hacked in crypto, they either send somebody their seed phrase. Never do that. It's your mnemonic seed phrase, a series of letters and numbers combined. But when you set up a wallet and it's on software, if someone gets access to your phone and they figure out your password, they can sign a transaction hacking you. With something like a cold storage wallet, a hardware wallet, like a Tangem, they have to physically have the device and know the password. It is much safer, okay? So they have these beautiful colors. A nice blue here, too. I like these. I really like the Hyper Blue Electra C. So really cool. But guys, with that being said, the Moose is loose. Hashtag Moose made it. Pray for Moose, whatever it may be. Love you all. Comment down below. What do you guys want to see on the next episode? Cheers.